Oh.
See if you can find anything like it on Jamaica. It's a bed and breakfast. There's coral cliff. Snorkeling. Kayaking. Oh, you two are so ready for the pre-shacking up test vacation.
Oh.
You have keys to each other's places. You've done the weekend away a couple times. Yeah, time for the 10-day vacation. Jamaica's like a trial for living.
You're so funny.